Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at another intermediate flat part, and this will be part 18 from our stock parts we can choose. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back into the program now. So previously we covered part 16 from our intermediate parts, which will be this pinkish shape. Now we're going to be looking at part 18, which is another version of this but with a key difference. In the previous one we could set the height of the cube, or the square. Cube is for 3D, and then also the diameter of the circle, and then the curves, where in this one we'll be able to set the actual width of the cube, so the square, so it becomes a rectangle. So if I had to go to the part, we go to P18, and we'll see from this little menu we actually have one less setting than the other one. That's why I mentioned in the previous video that this is a more simplified version of the P16. So now let's quickly set a few things. So I'm going to start with B and O, just to get that similar to what we had before. So this was 150, then this one was 200, and now we will be setting the A, the width of the actual cube. I keep calling it cube, my apologies. Do a lot of 3D designing. So let's set the rectangle here. I'm gonna make this maybe 200. So now it should be bigger than, or potentially similar to the previous one, but let's just see. Oh, now it's actually on the right. So that is rather strange. I was not expecting that from the preview. Let's see if we can set this one to a minus value, a negative. Yeah, we can. Let's see if it works. Okay. Nothing happening there. But yeah, so in any case, I was not expecting that. Let's just see if there's something else. Oh, I was setting the O. Let's try the A to a minus value. Minus, okay. Now we actually have a cut in. Oh, this is very interesting. It's another one of those videos where I discovered something that I did not know that the program can do. So we can make just about a little Pac-Man here if you want it. And so that is good to know if we can actually pull it in. So I'm just going to set this back to a positive, remove the minus, say OK, and then add a manual quantity of 1, say add, and then add this to our part. This one is very big. I'm not sure what I did wrong here, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, this video seems to have been a bit backwards because I caught me a bit off guard with the extra features I can do. But yeah, otherwise that is it on part 18. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.